All right, after that epic logo drop, you know, that I created myself and didn't really know what I was doing, but it sounded pretty good with the music. We are here to announce that we are doing some rebranding here at Peak Performance Sports Therapy. Starting now, we are no longer Peak Performance Sports Therapy. We are actually Peak Performance Soft Tissue and Spine. I'm all logoed out, got the swag, all that good stuff. What I wanted to do is just have a new video that kind of dropped and just explain what we're doing going forward. I just want to be honest with people and open up. As you know, I'm very vocal and very open about what's going on in the current medical model. And as you know, it's just a complete mess. Insurance companies are keeping people from being able to get better. You got these people out there pretending to be gurus, telling you to do all this stuff. You got some guy telling you to jam a lacrosse ball in your armpit or down in your groin. You got a bunch of people on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and all that pretending to be an expert in injuries. And you know what? They're just making things worse. Those people are idiots. I'm not trying to go on a rant or do anything here, but these people have no training whatsoever, but just because of the internet, they're able to go out there and then all of a sudden people think that they're experts and now they're trying to treat their injuries. Now these injuries go underdiagnosed and they get worse and worse and worse. By the time I see someone in the office, a lot of times things are already so blown up because they've been trying to treat those things for a long time. I want this crap to stop. I want people to get their injuries accurately diagnosed and treated so they don't have to go and deal with a lot of pain and suffering down the road. It isn't too much to ask, but unfortunately it doesn't happen in the current medical model. You got chiropractors out there, you know, charging people $5,000 up front for a bunch of BS adjustments and traction and all sorts of stuff. Physical therapists just going through the motions. People getting cortisone injections, throwing tape on everything. All of this stuff is not fixing anything. It's just making you worse and worse. So just stop it. But I don't blame you. We as a public are misinformed about injuries and what to do about them. So going forward, I want to be two things. The first thing is, if you live in St. Petersburg, Florida, or Tampa, or anywhere in Florida, and you have an injury and you don't at least do a consult with me, hey, those consults are free, then you're doing your injury and your problem a huge disservice. I'm not trying to be cocky or arrogant, but what I am is I'm confident because I've put the time in and the training to make sure that I can accurately diagnose and treat your injury. And if I can't help you, I'm going to get you to the right place. So if you live in this area and you don't at least see me for an injury or a free consultation, then I'll just be honest with you. You're an idiot because you got nothing to lose. And I built myself on a reputation of getting people better and accurately diagnosing the injury. The other source that this channel is going to be is just a source of content and information to help you navigate through the nonsense that's out there in the current medical model. We're going to do tips of the week. We're going to do ask the doc questions, and it's going to be a very fluid and engaged channel. And I want to be a source for anyone out there, even if you live in a different state or a different country, to have knowledge and make sure you get in the right place. There are other really good docs like me around the world, but there are very few. And if you do have them in your area, I am more than happy to help refer you into them, because what your problem needs is an accurate and tissue-specific diagnosis so you can get the right treatment plan. So today I ranted a little bit, and I promised myself going forward I will not do any bashing. Everything on my channel and my Facebook and my Instagram going forward is going to be fact-based and getting down to the nitty-gritty of what's going on with your problem and what you can do, and hopefully avoid a lot of the pitfalls and hurdles so you don't have to continue to feel like crap and be injured and not do the things you love. So stay tuned and welcome to Peak Performance Soft Tissue and Spine, and I look forward to the future.